The world's first bulldozer in the modern sense, that is, a tractor with a blade, was created in 1923 by James Cummings and Earl McLeod. They patented their mounted equipment 2 years later. It was a relatively small tractor, but it effectively handled the tasks it was designed for. The advancement of technology and the growing need for more powerful machines eventually led to the development of giant bulldozers used for the heaviest jobs. Today's selection is dedicated to them. The world's first 70-ton bulldozer with a hydrostatic transmission, a closed system in which engine power is transferred via a flow of working fluid. The absence of gears ensures smooth and stepless speed control of the tracks that move this giant. The operator uses proportional joysticks, and the slightly elevated cab provides excellent visibility. Moreover, smart electronics identify the operator and ignore commands from intruders, even if they manage to get into the cab. In short, hijacking such a bulldozer to stage a day of rage, like American Marvin Heemeyer once did with his killdozer, simply won't work. An ultra-heavy crawler bulldozer for mining, currently the flagship model of Japanese manufacturer Komatsu. Designed for large-scale earth-moving, rock excavation, site leveling, and moving massive volumes of soil. Equipped with a powerful ripper, a claw-like tooth at the rear used to break up very hard, rocky, dense, or frozen ground that cannot be handled by the front blade. It features an 890 horsepower engine, a hydro-mechanical transmission, and a reinforced main frame for increased durability. Not a very large but highly advanced bulldozer developed by American engineers at Case. According to tests, it has one of the quietest operator cabins in its class. The blade can tilt between 50 to 60 degrees, enabling more effective work with large soil masses. It is controlled by a single lever for turning, lifting, and tilting, useful when working on uneven ground. The operator cab is equipped with a heater, air conditioner, defroster, and windshield wiper. A gigantic bulldozer built as a one-off by Italian company Umberto Eco in the 1980s, commissioned by Libyan dictator Muammar Gaddafi. Even today, it remains the largest bulldozer ever made. This beast weighs 183 tons and is powered by 2 Caterpillar engines with a combined output of 1,350 horsepower. The blade is over 7 meters wide and nearly 3 meters high, capable of moving massive layers of earth. Unfortunately, due to sanctions imposed on Libya, the Eco dozer was never delivered and remains with the manufacturer as a symbol of Italian engineering prowess. A 20-ton crawler bulldozer produced under the New Holland brand since the 2000s. It features a 4-stroke diesel engine with direct injection and an intercooler for the final stage of turbocharging, allowing it to operate up to 2,500 meters above sea level without power loss. This bulldozer is suited for medium-duty tasks and is widely used in construction and roadwork worldwide. It comes in various configurations, STD, XLT, LGP, and with different blade types, semi-U or angle. The heaviest crawler tractor mass-produced in Russia, built at the Prom Tractor plant in Cheboksary. Its total weight reaches nearly 65 tons. Designed for heavy mining operations. Built on a modular platform, many components are compatible with other Chetra tractors and can be replaced in the field. One key feature of the T40 is its trussless undercarriage, which reduces dynamic stress on structural elements, increases track-ground contact area, and provides a smoother ride. The largest mass-produced bulldozer in the world, this massive machine weighs around 155 tons and features an engine producing over 1,150 horsepower. Intended for mining and quarry operations, it can move huge volumes of soil, rock, and hard materials thanks to its large Super Dozer blade and a deep single-shank ripper on the Super Ripper variant. It can move up to 90 cubic meters of material in one pass, and the ripper can penetrate solid rock up to 2 meters deep. It's typically used where less powerful machines are insufficient. The biggest and most powerful bulldozer produced by Caterpillar. Weighing nearly 113 tons, it replaced the D10 model. First introduced in 1986, it continues in production today with numerous upgrades, capable of traveling at 12 kilometers per hour. Quite fast for its class. Primarily used in mining to push scrapers and break up rock using its blade and ripper. Ideal for large quarry operations. Equipped with intelligent safety and navigation systems that greatly enhance operator comfort and productivity. A powerful crawler bulldozer for tough environments, popular among construction and mining companies. Features a pivoting undercarriage with an oscillating equalizer bar and can reach speeds up to 16 kilometers per hour in reverse, making it one of the fastest bulldozers in the world. Operating weight is just over 71 tons, and it's powered by a 650 horsepower engine. Available with a semi-U or U-blade with hydraulic tilt, capable of holding up to 22 cubic meters of material. A powerful crawler bulldozer designed for heavy-duty earth moving, built with real-world operator experience in mind. It features a 13.5-liter PowerTech engine and dual-path hydrostatic transmission for smooth operation and stepless speed control. Fuel-saving features include automatic idle activation, economy mode, and automatic engine shutdown during idle. Depending on configuration, it weighs around 42 tons and can be fitted with various types of blades. A heavy Chinese bulldozer weighing up to 70 tons. It is powered by a 600 horsepower Cummins engine and features a semi-U blade with a capacity of nearly 19 cubic meters. At the rear, there's a single-shank parallelogram ripper. This machine is built for heavy earth moving in construction and mining, offering high performance and excellent mobility. It has a hydro-mechanical drive. Tractive force is delivered to the tracks via a dual-circuit hydrostatic transmission. An ultra-heavy crawler bulldozer developed in the Soviet Union at the Chelyabinsk tractor plant in the 1980s. It was essentially a one-off project. Only 10 units were produced, designed for the toughest mining tasks, construction, and land reclamation in areas where blasting is not feasible, such as diamond mining in Yakutia. The T-800 has a total weight of 103 tons, and only one aircraft could transport it, the Maria, developed by the Antonov Design Bureau. A heavy-duty construction machine with an engine output of about 420 horsepower. It comes with a powerful blade capable of holding up to 17 cubic meters of material and an optional single-shank ripper with a 2-meter-long arm. Designed for large-scale earthworks, it is considered a versatile machine suitable for mining, construction, land reclamation, road building, and more. The hydrostatic transmission provides smooth movement and reduced fuel consumption. A legendary ultra-powerful crawler tractor, widely used in the 1970s and 1980s. The result of a joint effort between Italian and American engineers. Known especially for its enormous size and 525 horsepower, made possible by a turbocharged Cummins 512 engine. It was one of the largest and most powerful crawler tractors of its time, and a precursor to today's ultra-heavy-duty bulldozers, setting the standard for future models. Another legendary bulldozer, produced by Caterpillar from 1977 to 1987, later replaced by the D11. It was developed in response to the demand for a machine more powerful than the D9, as competitors were releasing models that outperformed it. For example, At ConExpo 1969 in Chicago, Alice Chalmers presented the 524 horsepower HD41, the largest crawler tractor at that time. Caterpillar's response was substantial. D10 sales exceeded the combined sales of Fiat Alice and Komatsu bulldozers in the same class. An ultra-powerful crawler bulldozer developed by Chinese manufacturer Shantui for heavy earth moving. It is equipped with a Cummins QST-30 engine producing around 900 horsepower. Its operating weight is about 106 tons with the blade and single-shank ripper installed. The large semi-U blade holds 28 cubic meters of soil. Built using a modular design, it can be serviced in the field, and many components are standardized with other Shantui bulldozers. Another heavy-duty crawler bulldozer from China, the flagship model of Liugong. Designed for quarry work and equipped with a Cummins NTA-855 engine, producing 320 horsepower. The model is known for its reliability and performance. It is available in multiple configurations for different tasks, including various blade and ripper types. To extend engine life, it includes a cyclone fuel filtration system. Often features a semi-automatic transmission for easier operator handling. Another Chinese bulldozer, a mid-class crawler model developed by engineers at Zoomlion. The company has vast experience in machinery manufacturing and ranks among the world's top 5 construction equipment producers. The ZD220 can replace heavy bulldozers in jobs where larger machines are impractical, including earth moving, land reclamation, road construction, and soil development. Produced in various versions, including a swamp model with wider track shoes. It is known for its off-road capability and reliability in tough conditions. To break up the list of giants, here's a compact crawler bulldozer from Japanese manufacturer Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. It weighs just 4 tons and is highly maneuverable. It is primarily used in construction and landscaping. The bulldozer produces 37 horsepower and comes with a blade and optional single-shank ripper. A great choice for municipal services needing a small, agile tractor with excellent off-road performance. A heavy-duty crawler tractor and one of the heaviest in Caterpillar's lineup. Produced since 1954 and still in production, with many upgrades over time. From the beginning, it earned the trust of construction firms worldwide for its power, performance, and reliability. It has various versions, with the most popular being the Bulldozer, with a removable grater blade and an optional rear ripper. Its specs have made the Cat D9 one of the most popular crawler tractors globally, alongside the Komatsu D275A. The armored version, D9R, is used by the Israeli military and employed by engineering units for mine clearing and neutralizing improvised explosive devices. A mining bulldozer powered by an engine producing nearly 900 horsepower. It has an operating weight of 115 tons and a blade capacity ranging from 27.2 to 34.4 cubic meters, depending on the configuration. Designed for heavy-duty earth moving, primarily in the mining industry. Thanks to its high power, the machine is extremely productive. The engine complies with the modern Tier 4 final emissions standard. The operator's cab is comfortable, with excellent visibility, safety systems, and air conditioning. It is suspended to reduce vibration, which can be harmful to the human body. A giant crawler mining excavator weighing around 1,000 tons, one of the largest in its class. It is used for heavy-duty tasks in the mining industry. With a massive 45 cubic meter bucket, it can quickly handle large volumes of earth-moving work. Due to its size, it can only load equally massive mining dump trucks. It was produced from 1997 to 2012, later replaced by more modern models. A massive Russian crawler bulldozer in the 35-ton class, generating up to 560 horsepower, equipped with American Cummins QSK-19 engines and a hydromechanical transmission with a planetary gearbox. Developed for heavy earthworks, including operations on frozen and rocky ground. Features a semi-rigid three-point suspension system that reduces ground pressure and improves off-road performance through better traction. Comes with a semi-U blade with a capacity of 20 cubic meters and a single shank ripper with a 2-meter arm. Its modular design allows for field replacement of components. Looking at this cyclopean machine, it's hard to believe it can even move on its own. Nevertheless, this bulldozer not only drives, albeit slowly, but also shifts massive amounts of soil and rock in a single pass. A giant mining excavator weighing about 800 tons developed by German engineers. It's powered by two Cummins QSK-60 engines, delivering more than 4,000 horsepower. The front shovel bucket holds up to 42 cubic meters of material, while the backhoe version can handle up to 47.5 cubic meters. Used exclusively in the mining industry for open-pit operations, it is unsuitable for any other application.